Good morning one and all present in grammar online class. How are you all? So today we will start our chapter number 20, simple past tense. With the name itself, children, all of you come to know that we are talking about something which has happened in the past, which is ended now, which took place some time ago. We are talking about that action which took place some time ago. And here, to tell this simple past tense, children, we always use verbs second form of verb. For example, if verb's first form is go, this go we always use with simple present tense. And for the usage of simple present tense, I told you with singular, we add s or es to the verb's first form. And if we are talking about plural, then we use the same base form. So we are talking here about simple past tense. So we use verbs second form, as we have done forms of verbs in our chapter. So our first form is go, second is went. Go, went. Eat, ate. Play, played. Dance, danced. So these went, ate, played, these are verbs second form, and we use these form of verbs to tell about our sentence in simple past tense. Okay, children? For example, if we take an example, Rahul went to the market with his mother. Now here ma'am has used W-E-N-T, went, and went is the second form of the verb go. If I have used here verb second form, then it is showing that I am using simple past tense form of verb. I am telling that Ram went to the market with his mother, and this action has taken place some time ago. Understand? So in your chapter, simple past tense, this is affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence means simple sentence. And if we will talk about negative sentences in simple past, we use did not. What do we use? Did not, to make it into negative sentence. For let us take this sentence only. Rahul went to the market with his mother. If I want to change this into negative sentence, I will add did not. Rahul did not go. Here I will change, when I am using did in the sentence, then I use verb's first form. Keep this in mind, children. If I am using did in the sentence, then I change this verb into verb's first form. Rahul did not go to the market with his mother. Fine. I did not eat candy. My mother did not dance at the party. Fine. Now, next is, if we have to change the sentences into questions, then we put did, D-I-D, did, before the subject. Let us take this sentence again. Rahul went to the market with his mother. So I want to change this into question. Did Rahul go to the market with his mother? This is, and put question mark. This is question. Okay, children? Did Rahul go to the market with his mother? Question mark. Here we have used did before the subject, and went will change into the verb's first form, go. Clear? So this is all in your chapter. These three things you have to keep in your mind, that simple present tense, whenever you are using simple present tense, you are using verbs second form. And if you are trying to say the negative sentence, then you will add did not. And with that did not, you will use verb's first form, not the same second form. That will be wrong. Understand? If you are making it in question, then you will put did before the subject, and again same thing, you will use verb's first form. Verb's first form. So this is all, and keep question mark at the end of the sentence when you are using it as a question sentence. So this is all in your chapter. Hope this is clear to you. If again any query is related to simple past tense, you are free to ask me anytime. Take care of yourself, children. Goodbye for now.